Yes, it is working. Okay, so it's preparing. Okay. Are you ready?
I am.
Oh, we're live on Facebook. Brilliant, fantastic, great. So I just wanted to do a really a live today to tell everybody about a wonderful event that this incredible lady, Joan Muldrew O'Brien, is putting on tomorrow, Saturday, the 15th of May. And I really, in the times that we're living in right now at the moment, we're all struggling. We've all got a lot of concerns, worries, upsets. We're terrified actually, of what's going on in the world at the moment for many people. And right now, what Joan wants to do is create an awareness around our health and wellness, and she decided to put on this event. So it's a big project that she's been working on over the last number of weeks, and Joan has invited me to speak as well on her event. So Joan, we've met Joan, God, a number of years ago now. At this stage, we've been connected, haven't we, for a long time? Yeah, and so I wanted to help you out, Joan, because it's something that's very close to my heart as well, about empowering people, to have the life that they want. So, Joan, tell us, who are you, Joan? Tell us a little bit about yourself, and tell us why this project is very close to your heart.
Indeed, and thank you very much, Joanne, for having me on today. So, yes, I'm Joan Muldrew O'Brien. I'm a nurse, and I'm also a health coach, and I'm a mother to 4 gorgeous boys, if I say so myself. They're grown boys.
They always are, aren't they?
And they are indeed. But anyway, so I got into health coaching about 6-7 years ago. Just with the children, when they were children growing up, I decided I'd go. They all had their niggly little problems, so I decided to go more on holistic route with them. As opposed to the medical route. So that brought me to health coaching, and I have a great passion for health and wellness. And so I started this project just to give more to the community. We're all a bit low with COVID and all that's been going on this last while. So it has kept me busy, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow. It's called Just for the Health of It. I have 8 phenomenal speakers, all giving different aspects of health and well-being. So whoever
I love the title. I love the title, Just for the Health of It.
Just for the hell of it, it could be tomorrow.
So how many speakers do you have?
I've 8. There's 8 tomorrow.
8 speakers. And give us an idea of the topics that they're, because there's a lot under the umbrella of health.
So now it's a 4-hour long event. So I'll just run through the speakers. I know some people that are joining are going to just come in for different speakers on the day. Tomorrow we'll just start with a young girl, Donna McMillan. She's a meditation and mindfulness practitioner, and she's going to talk a little bit about meditation, and also then start the day with a meditation.
Wow, what a great way to start.
Yeah, that'll just set the tone for the day. Next, I have a dear old friend from Australia, Louise McCartney. She's a health coach as well, and a Live Clean ambassador, a public speaker, and I've known her nearly 40 years. So she's phenomenal, and she's going to talk about toxins. So each speaker will talk for 20 minutes, and then we'll have 10 minutes for question and answers.
And toxins is a huge thing at the moment, Joan, isn't it? Like with the air, the food, medications. Brilliant.
So we'll have Louise on that, and following that, then I have a 30-year-old girl, Bailey O'Brien from Boston. She's living in New York now. She's a 10-year cancer survivor. She had stage 4 melanoma when she was 17. So she has a story to tell, and it is again based on nutrition and her journey from 10 years ago. It's quite moving. So looking forward to her story. And then we will have Suzanne, which is getting mixed up with Joanne and Suzanne, Suzanne Darcy. And again, she's a great friend of mine. She's a registered pharmacist and also a health coach. So she's incorporated the two, and she's going to talk on gut health tomorrow.
Fantastic.
Yep. And then we have your lovely self, Joanne.
Yes, of course.
Yes, and how to get a good night's sleep. So looking forward to hearing your speech, Joanne.
Yeah, and sleep is so important. A lot of people overlook sleep, and it really is vital for life. And my motto is, when you have a good night of sleep, everything in your life is so much better, and there's so many more possibilities. So yeah, so
Yes,
great.
and we all know that, don't we, when we wake up refreshed in the morning? Yeah, how good our day starts. Yeah, but as you say, the day starts in the morning when you wake up.
Absolutely, it really is. It's how your day unfolds, really, you know. And there's so much stress in the world, like you said, you know, and there's all types of stress: physical, emotional, the toxins, chemical. So yeah, and it's really about combating all of that and the stress that enables us to relax. And that's what's missing for a lot of people, is to be able to relax, to go to sleep. So I'll be talking all about that tomorrow.
Yeah, great.
Who else?
And we have Keith Doherty. Keith is a friend, my friend's son, who is a yogi, and he's living in Malaga in Spain. So he is going to do some yoga, or tell us about yoga and a little bit of chair yoga. Just so I'm looking forward to that for chair yoga. So he's going to do that with us.
That's really important, Joan, because we're living such a sedentary lifestyle at the moment, and especially with all the lockdown the last couple of months. Especially the entrepreneurs, they're sitting at their computers all the time.
Absolutely, yeah.
They need to move.
Yeah. So we have Keith, and then we have Donal O'Leary.
Oh, I love Donal, and he's watching live.
Donal.
He's watching live. I'm looking at.
Hi, Donal. Yeah. So Donal is a health advocate, of course. I heard Donal speak a few months ago, and just his wisdom. I just loved the way he spoke about grounding at the time he spoke on. Tomorrow, I think he's going to talk about grounding and water and alkaline, acidity and alkaline, and bone health as well.
Very important.
So yeah, looking forward to that, Donal.
Yeah.
Following on from Donal, then we have Ollie Green, and Ollie is an organic gardener. And I also heard Ollie speak a few months ago about gardening as well, and I found it very interesting how to get set up with organic gardening. So yes, have I missed anybody? I hope not.
That's a fantastic mixture. Did you miss someone?
No, I have everybody now. Yes, and then we'll finish with meditation again with Donna.
Fantastic. So from meditation, grown organic foods, which is really important right now, and it's, you know, the foods that come into our supermarkets now have so many air miles on them, you know, you don't know, and they're picked green, and they're not as nutritional as they used to be before. So that's a really, really a good one to start growing, and encouraging your children to grow stuff as well.
Absolutely, that's what we're doing here in the garden. Yeah,
clean air, clean water. Dawn's going to be talking about all that, the alkaline, acid, and sleep. So there's so much content, Joan, so many empowering speakers. So not to be missed. So where can people sign up, Joan, to get this incredible?
Okay, so we will drop the link below, if that's okay, in your box afterwards. And so it's just a Zoom. It's just the link into Zoom. And it starts at 1 p.m. If you can get there 10 minutes before, the room will be open. And there'll be a break around 2:15 for 10 minutes, just to
and this is all free, Joan?
It's all free, and I hope everyone will go home with something new and
they will.
Some changes. Yeah,
they will, for sure. So 1 p.m. UK Irish time. So it's going to be a Zoom link that people can access it. And so it's on for 4 hours, and there's a break in between. So folks, listen, everybody needs a bit of help with their health, their physical health, mental health, and there's all sorts of great topics and information that's going to be on this seminar tomorrow with Joan. And of course, I'm going to be speaking as well tomorrow. So really, please don't miss it. Do yourself a favor and register and come to this event. Is it available on replay? Are you going to have it on replay?
I will record it. Yes, I will record it. And yeah. So I'll be able to put it, I can read.
Right, brilliant. So please register, please come along, tell your friends, tell your family. This is all about empowering each other, because you know what, you are responsible for your own health. And yes, there's doctors out there and all the rest, but there is so much that we can do for our own health to empower us and to be stronger. And right now we need to focus on our health and our immune system. So I'm really excited. So Joan, thanks for joining me, and look, I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you for having me on, Joanne. Yeah, take care.
All right, take care, mind yourself.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.